Have you ever poured your heart into the hooponopono prayer, only to feel like the peace and healing you seek remain out of reach? Do you find yourself questioning if you're doing it wrong or if true inner peace is simply unattainable for you? Imagine investing your deepest emotions into this ancient practice, yet still feeling the weight of unresolved pain and inner turmoil. What if the problem isn't the prayer, but how it's being practiced? Many seek on this ancient Hawaiian practice with high hopes, only to find themselves stuck in the same cycles of pain and frustration. Today, we're diving deep into the 6 biggest mistakes that could be holding you back from the transformative power of hooponopono. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your hooponopono practice is effective and deeply transformative, leading to genuine healing and inner peace. Mistake number 1 is not understanding the core principles of hooponopono, which is more than just repeating phrases. Hooponopono is a profound spiritual practice rooted in reconciliation, forgiveness, and love. So, it's about genuinely embracing the principles of reconciliation, forgiveness, and love. Without a deep understanding and not grasping these core concepts, your practice remains superficial. To avoid this mistake, take time to learn about the history, philosophy, and deeper meanings behind hooponopono. Truly understanding the practice will transform your approach and enhance its effectiveness. We published a hooponopono video series that you can watch after this video. This comprehensive video series is designed to guide you through every aspect of this powerful practice. From understanding the core principles to mastering the 4 transformative phrases, each episode is crafted to enrich your journey towards healing and inner peace. You can find these videos inside the Hooponopono Inner Peace playlist of this channel. Mistake number 2, lack of sincerity in the phrases. Repeating the phrases mechanically without emotional engagement. The power of Hooponopono lies in the sincerity and emotional connection of "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "Thank you," and "I love you" phrases. Simply saying the words without feeling can diminish their healing effect. To avoid this mistake, focus on genuinely feeling the emotions behind each phrase. "I'm sorry," "Please forgive me," "Thank you," and "I love you." Visualize and connect with their meaning, allowing the emotions to flow through you as you say these sacred Hooponopono phrases. Mistake number 3 is ignoring personal responsibility or blaming others for your problems while practicing Hooponopono. Hooponopono teaches us to take 100% responsibility for our experiences and emotions. Blaming others contradicts this fundamental principle. To avoid this mistake, reflect on your role in every situation. Approach the practice with the mindset of taking full responsibility for your thoughts, actions, and reactions. This shift in perspective is crucial for true healing. Mistake number 4 is expecting instant results and getting discouraged when they don't happen. Personal and spiritual healing is a gradual process. Hooponopono requires patience and consistent practice to see significant changes. Be patient and persistent. Understand that deep-seated issues may take time to heal. Trust in the process and stay committed to your practice. Mistake number 5 is using Hooponopono as a tool for quick fixes to problems. Hooponopono is a holistic approach to healing and spiritual growth, not a quick remedy for temporary issues. To avoid this mistake is simply to integrate Hooponopono into your daily life as a continuous practice rather than a one-time solution. Embrace it as a lifelong journey of self-improvement and inner peace. Mistake number 6, not practicing self-love and compassion. Neglecting to direct the phrases inwardly towards yourself. Healing begins within. Self-love and compassion are crucial components of Hooponopono. Not practicing self-love and compassion, the practice can feel incomplete. To avoid mistake number 6 is to regularly direct the phrases towards yourself. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Thank yourself for your efforts, and express love towards yourself. To avoid these 6 biggest mistakes while doing the Hooponopono practice, take time to learn about the history, philosophy, and deeper meanings behind Hooponopono. Truly understanding the practice will transform your approach and enhance its effectiveness. Watch our Hooponopono video series and unlock the true potential of this ancient Hawaiian practice. Episode by episode, we unravel the secrets of Hooponopono, revealing its profound impact on your mind, heart, and soul. Discover the ancient wisdom that has brought peace and healing to countless lives, and learn how to apply these timeless techniques to your own life. Let each episode be a step towards a more peaceful, harmonious, and fulfilling life.